Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success, love, money, even miracles, effortlessly? Is it luck, genetics, destiny, or is it something else? What if the universe was listening to you all the time? What if your thoughts, emotions, and energy were shaping your life right now, without you even realizing it? This is the law of attraction, and today, you're going to learn how to master it. Not the vague, fluffy version, the real, practical, powerful version that works. Let's get into it. First, understand this truth. The universe doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you are. Wanting something means nothing if you're not aligned with it. If you constantly feel lack, guess what the universe reflects? More lack. If you radiate confidence, joy, belief, the universe mirrors that back. It's not magic, it's vibration. Everything in existence is energy vibrating at a frequency, your thoughts included. You're not a receiver, you're a transmitter. So the real question is, what are you broadcasting? We've all heard it. Your thoughts become things. But here's the part people miss. It's not just about thinking, it's about feeling. You can repeat, "I am rich" all day. But if you feel broke, anxious, or doubtful inside, that's the frequency you're actually putting out. So don't just think it. Feel it. Feel like it's already yours. Act like it's already true. That's when things start to shift. You must believe with your entire body. That's when thought becomes reality. When you chase something, you're telling the universe, "I don't have it." That's a message of lack. Instead, become the person who would naturally attract that thing. Want love? Be love. Radiate it. Want success? Think, feel, and move like someone successful before the success arrives. Want peace? Be still now. That's the paradox. You must act like it's already yours before it arrives. That's not delusion. That's alignment. And alignment is power. Your emotions are your tuning fork. They tell you exactly what frequency you're on. If you feel fear, you're tuned to fear. If you feel gratitude, you're tuned to abundance. So here's your real job. Feel better first, before the money, before the lover, before the dream comes true. Gratitude, joy, and certainty are creative frequencies. When you tap into them daily, the law of attraction moves faster, almost like magic. Stop waiting for reality to change. Change your frequency first. Reality will follow. Close your eyes. Picture your dream life. See it in vivid detail. Now go deeper. Hear it, feel it, smell it, become it. Your subconscious can't tell the difference between a vividly imagined future and a real experience. That's why top athletes visualize before games. Why successful people mentally rehearse. Visualization trains your brain and energy field to attract what you see. It's not fantasy, it's preparation. Spend a few minutes each day seeing your dream reality. And then, act like it's already unfolding. Now for the hard truth. You can't manifest while carrying energetic baggage. Old traumas, limiting beliefs, resentment, self-doubt, guilt. These weigh you down. So master the law of attraction by doing the inner work. Forgive, let go, reprogram your beliefs, create space for your desires to arrive. Because when your energy field is cluttered, the universe gets mixed signals. Clean it up. Clarity equals speed. Here's where most people mess up. They visualize, they journal, they affirm, but they don't move. The universe responds to energy in motion. It opens doors when you knock. So follow those gut feelings. Say yes to that strange opportunity. Take that risk. Make the call. Send the email. Inspired action is your side of the deal. The universe handles the rest. You're not just attracting, you're co-creating. The law of attraction isn't about becoming something new. It's about remembering who you are. You are a magnet. You are a creator. You are already enough. You're not chasing a better life. You're just learning to allow it in. And once you align with that truth, everything changes. Not by force, but by frequency. So now you know. The law of attraction isn't just about wishing. It's about tuning in to the energy of what you want, to the version of yourself that already has it. Master this, and your reality becomes art. Your life becomes your masterpiece. This is Knowledge Circle, where we don't just learn. We remember who we truly are. Stay aligned, stay focused, and watch the universe bend in your favor.